Okay, some of you are confused about what we're doing with the paper, so let me make this real clear. You are going to be looking into your career and what's going to happen in the future of your career. So you're not just looking at how to become something, you're looking at what's going to happen in 5 to 10 years in that career. So that's why I have you for the annotated bibliography looking into how your career is going to be influenced by a lot of the things that are coming up in the future. Now, for the first section of this paper, and there's 3 sections, okay? The first section of your paper is an introduction. So you're going to get me interested in the paper. I want you to use I, and I want you to talk about what this future world is going to look like 5 to 10 years in the future, and how you're going to get to work, what your office is going to be like. Are you working from home? Are you working from a big building? Did you get there by drone or in your automated car? And what kind of things are going to be affecting you in that job. And then you're going to be looking at how drones, artificial intelligence, healthcare, stuff of the future, maybe pandemics, might affect you. Okay, so that's all you need to know for the first section of this paper. Again, you're going to want to introduce what your future career might, what your future life might look like, and then go into what the career is and some introduction about how these things might be affecting you. The next section is going to be research. So don't worry about the research stuff yet. You did it for your annotated bibliography, and so you should have a little pre-search done, a little research ahead of time. But you don't have to worry about citing things, well, unless you've got some very specific information in this first section. But you should be just having a lot of fun and getting people interested in what you're doing. All right, I hope that helps for now. Oh, by the way, tonight starts Passover, and I'm going to be unavailable from tonight until Saturday night because of the Passover holiday, and some of you also are celebrating Passover, so Passover Sameach. For the Christians out there, I hope you have a very meaningful Holy Week, and that you have a beautiful Easter.